In question 10, we're asked to use bearings, and in order to use bearings you'll have to have a protractor. If you don't have a 360 degree protractor, the 180 degree one, you will have to use it and add on the extra angle beyond 180 degrees. So I already have my protractor set at point A, and the 0 is at the north line. So we're going to measure the angle of 216 degrees clockwise, which takes me round to here. Just going to extend that on slightly, and then we will have to join that line to the point A. So having drawn the bearing of the lighthouse from A, we're now moving on to find the bearing of the lighthouse from B. And the protractor is already at point B, with again the 0 being on the north line. And we're going to go clockwise round 278 degrees, which is approximately here. And again, we need to join this line to B. So having drawn this bearing of 278 degrees, which is really this one, and previously the bearing of 216 degrees, which is this one, we now know that the lighthouse H is located where the two lines cross. Question 11, we must use the facts that have been given to us, namely the 3 pairs of parallel lines and the 1 line of symmetry, to help us find the angle. The 1 line of symmetry is really up the middle of the shape, and because that is a vertical line, it is then parallel to each of the 2 lines, one on the left, one on the right. And that enables us to work out this angle, which is essentially half of m, because the 2 angles inside parallel lines add up to 180 degrees. So our angle, which I'm going to call x, is going to be 180 minus 114, which gives us 66 degrees. Therefore m is going to be 2 times that, because they are symmetrical, and that's going to give us 132 degrees. Question 12 is subtracting algebraic fractions. However, the rules for algebraic fractions are exactly the same as if we're subtracting ordinary fractions, and that is we need a common denominator. So the common denominator here, or the lowest common denominator, is going to be 12. So we can multiply x over 4 by 3 to get 3x over 12. And if I multiply x over 6 by 2, I will get 2x over 12. Therefore, subtracting, I'm going to just subtract the top numbers, or in this case, algebraic terms, and the answer is going to be x over 12.